Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 2. It is from chapter 3 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to find some things for path B. We need to find the total distance traveled and the magnitude and direction of the displacement from start to finish. Okay, so let's take a look. So for part A, for the distance, we need to find the total number of blocks we went. And so this is part A. And we can say the distance is, first we go 4 blocks east times the 120. Then we go 3 blocks north times the 120. And then we go 3 blocks west times the 120. So that's going to be 10 blocks total times the 120 meters. And so we can call that 1,200 meters. So that's the distance traveled. Now for the displacement, we can see that so we went 4, then we went 3, then we went 3. Okay, so here's our displacement, and here's our right triangle. And so that's 1 block, and that's 3 blocks. Okay? And so what we can say is that the BX is 1 block times the 120. And so the BX is 120 meters. Then the BY is 3 blocks times the 120. So that's 360 meters. And so these are the legs of the right triangle. And so we can find the magnitude of displacement by squaring the 2 legs and then adding them and then taking the square root of that. So the BX squared plus the BY squared. So we've got 120 meters squared plus 360 meters squared. Take the square root of that, and we find it is 379 meters. So that is the magnitude of the displacement. And now for the direction, we take the tan inverse, or we'll call that the theta. And so it will be the opposite side, which is the BY, divided by the adjacent side, which is the BX. And then we take the inverse of both sides. And so we've got tan inverse of the 360 meters over the 120 meters. And so this gives us 71.6 degrees north of east. And that is the direction of the displacement. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.